Hello friend, designing a part is a crucial aspect of the product development and it requires the careful consideration for various factors to ensure that the final product meets its intended purpose or the function. Okay, so the systematic step-by-step approach to the part design process can help you to ensure that your design process is efficient and effective. The step-by-step approach to part design process is by defining the part purpose, conduct a research and gather the information, develop a conceptual design, create a detailed design, and then perform the analysis and the testing, and then optimize the design, and then finalize the design and prepare for the production. So let's discuss one by one. The first step in the part design process is define the part purpose. So this involves the understanding of function the part need to perform and the constraint it need to work within. Okay, so we need to understand the function and the constraint of the product or the parts. Okay, so if you take an example here, if you are designing a bracket for a mechanical system, then you need to understand the forces coming on the product, and also so the product must be withstand the forces. Okay, and also it will survive in the all the environmental condition. So second step in the part design process is conduct research and gather the information. So this involves the understanding of material and the manufacturing process that will be used to create the part. Okay, so in this process we will understand the material used for the product and the manufacturing process. Also we will gather the information related to the parts and the design guidelines also. So you need to consider any regularity requirement that may be impact on the part design also. Third step is a develop a conceptual design. Okay, so this involves creating a sketches and the model that represent the general shape and the dimension of the part. After conceptual design, the fourth step is a create a detailed design. Okay, so this involves the creating a 3D model of the part and ensure that all necessary features and the specifications are included. Okay, so here we will create the drawings and the detailed modeling. Okay, and you should also consider any manufacturing constraint during this step. After a detailed design, the next step is a perform analysis and the testing. Okay, so this involves the testing of the part functionality and the durability using the various methods such as computer simulation, physical testing. Okay, so you should identify any design flaws or weaknesses during this step and make the adjustments as needed, because in the analysis we will get the result how our product perform under the different condition. Okay, based on that we will modify our design and we will overcome the problems and the defects. Okay, next step is optimize the design. So this involves the identifying the way to improve the part performance and reduces its weights or lower its cost. So we will optimize the design in terms of the cost, weight, performance and the process wise. Okay, you should consider the factor like material selection, manufacturing processes and design modification. So these all process we will consider during the optimization design. The final step is finalizing the design and prepare for production. Okay, so this process involves the creating a detailed engineering drawing of the part and creating the bill of material. Okay, so this is here in this process we will produce the part. Okay, we will manufacture the part. So production will start at this stage. Okay, so you should also identify any potential manufacturing issues are there or not and work with the production team to address them. Okay, so we need to work with the production team as well, because suppose any errors or the defects will come during the manufacturing process, at that time we need to modify the design and again we need to send to the production team so that our part should be free from defects. By following this 7 step of the design process, you can design the part that meet their intended purpose. So friend, that's it for this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.